Hello and welcome to part 3 of Pray the Rain to Fall. So, over the last 2 videos we covered the first 5 bars. I'm going to play the first 5 bars and I want you to either follow with your paper finger or your recorder fingers, or if you feel confident enough, play along. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to sing the recorder fingers, so I'm just going to sing the notes. I want you to try to sing along with me. 1, 2, let's sing. Beep, 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 beep. Rest, rest, rest. A-G-A-A-B. 1, 2, 3. E-E-B-B, G-G. Okay, so if you were a little bit confused by that, I would recommend put this on pause and try practicing that. The last 2 videos will also help as well. Okay, if you feel confident enough, let's play that. You can also follow with your paper fingers if you want to have a little rest. Fingers on B or paper fingers ready at the start. Now 1, 2, let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I added the next 2 bars, so let's look at the next 2 bars. So we have an F sharp. So I know it's an F sharp because it's in the first space, and also there's a little hashtag at the start of the music, which means that we're using our F sharp finger. So we know what our F sharp finger is. It's like a G, then you miss out the next toe, and you put 2 fingers down like that. Let's just play a nice long F sharp together. 1, 2, let's play. Okay, so I'm going to play from the 6th bar. It's going to sound like this. 1, 2, let's play. So it's just F sharp and G. So it's ti-ta, ti-ta-ta. Okay, let's play that together. 1, 2, let's play. Good. I want you to put this on pause and practice that. Then after that note, the F sharp, we have a nice long E, and we hold that for 4 counts. And we call that note a semi-brief because it looks like a minim, it's not coloured in, and it doesn't have a stem. And we hold that for 4 counts. Let's hold an E for 4 counts. 1, 2, let's play. Good. So from the bar before, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, let's play. Okay, let's go from the bar before that, from the 5th bar, where it starts on B. 1, 2, let's play. Okay, let's try to play from the very start. Fingers on B. 1, 2, let's play. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm going to clap the rhythm and I want you to try playing the music. Okay, so I'm going to clap the rhythm and you try playing along. 1, 2, let's go. Tee tee ta ta too. Rest, rest, rest. Tee 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 ta tee. 1, 2, 3. Tee 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 ta ta ta. Tee ta tee ta ta too. Okay, very well done. Homework is to practice that. Then we're going to do the last 2 lines. Very, very well done, and I'll see you next week.